Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the plan for room temperature in Vaillant gas boilers. To do this, first you will need to download my Vaillant app. And when it's downloaded, make sure that you also paired it with your boiler. Then we can click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, navigate to control, then enter heating, and here we'll be able to enter weekly planner. Then you'll be able to find all of the days of the week on top, then the hours. So for example, we can add a new time period and change it to 6 and finish it at 2350 and set the different temperature that we want to have at this specific hours. Click on add, and that way we can create a new plan, and we can do the same thing with all of the days of the week. Make sure to save it if you're ready with that settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.